everybody, I hope you are all okay. In this video I thought I would spread some awareness on mental health, with it being the 10th of October, World Mental Health Day. It is important to make your mental health a priority. Here are some ways that you can do this. Eating less sugar, but this donut isn't really a good example for that, but who cares? Drinking more water is journaling your feelings. Here are a couple of mine. Make a gratitude list. For example, I'm so grateful for all my YouTube subscribers. This makes you focus on all the good in your life rather than the bad. The next thing is meditate, just by watching a couple of videos on YouTube how to do it, or you could just simply connect with yourself and just take time to calm down and clear your mind. Breathe deeply when you're either feeling anxious or just stressed out. If this helps, talk to a therapist. There's lots of websites and numbers that you can call to get help with this. Or the complete opposite and put your phone down, disconnect with social media. Getting yourself into a bedtime routine. You can do this by setting alarms on your phone or using a health app on your iPhone. The next thing is to get out and enjoy the sunshine and get some fresh air. Or whilst you're at it, go for a walk. Okay guys, your feelings are valid. Don't give up and everything will be alright. That brings me to the end of the video. I hope it helped at least one of you. Remember, don't be afraid to ask for support. Bye, and enjoy the rest of your day whenever you're watching this.